Yeah, the connective tissue idea, I'm still, like, I get it, and I'm still trying to conceptualize it in my own brain so I understand how, and so it's kind of like a really finely meshed net that holds everything in?
Kind of, yeah. So there's two different kinds of fibers. There's collagen fibers and elastin fibers. And collagen is, elastin is so a little bit like a spring. Mm-hmm. And it's the kind of stuff that you stretch it and it goes back. And collagen is more structured. It's like you stretch it and it stays there.
Okay.
So different parts of the connective tissue, which is all interconnected, have different levels of collagen and elastin. And so they have sort of different features because of that. But there is no place where connective tissue ends. It's just sort of seamless. It just goes from one thing to another. It's this big matrix.
Okay, I think I have a physical representation idea for it. So it's like a finely meshed net that holds everything together, and then you can also take it and inject it into all the spaces where there isn't an organ or a tissue.
Right.
Okay. So,
and it's also connected to the cytoskeleton of every single cell in your body. So
a really fine needle to fill it in. Okay.
So it not only is on the outside, but because of its connection to the cytoskeleton, which is like the same thing within the cell.
So it basically keeps us from falling apart.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the scaffolding.
Okay.
I mean, you can think of it as that background scaffolding that you don't pay attention to.
It's like the frame of a house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or it's the glue that holds the boards together. In reality, in the body, it's almost like there is a sort of a layer, like tree rings.
Okay.
So, that there literally is this kind of ring structure. If you were to cut somebody across, that there would in fact be layers of connective tissue, something like tree ring type layers. That is for the same reasons. Like you start out with a baby, and then but there's of course interconnections as well between the different layers. So it's kind of like a little sweater and another little sweater and another little sweater.